What is Quest Dehumidifier? A Quest dehumidifier is a type of appliance that is used to reduce the level of humidity in the air. How does a Quest dehumidifier work? A Quest dehumidifier works by drawing in moist air from the room and passing it over a refrigerated coil. The cold coil causes the water vapor in the air to condense into liquid water. Quest dehumidifier for grow room. They are perfect for small to medium-sized grow rooms and can be set up to operate in either a manual or automatic mode. The Quest DH40 is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable dehumidifier for their grow room. Quest dehumidifier price range and from where it should buy. Quest dehumidifiers come in a variety of price ranges, starting at around $100 and going up to $600 or more. It's also important to make sure that you're buying from a reputable seller, as there are many counterfeit Quest dehumidifiers on the market.